Step accounting has about 7 menus. The first menu is the sales menu. The second menu is the purchases menu. Then we have the items inventory menu, the manufacturing menu, the fixed asset menu, and we also have the dimension and the banking and ledger menu. So in this short video, I'm going to teach you what is under the items menu, items inventory menu. So items inventory menu deals with inventory stuff, and if you want to enter an inventory items, you come under maintenance to click on the inventory. So this is the dialog box for the inventory items. So for example, now I have the following items there. I want to add more items under products. The last number, it was number 201. I want to add about 2 items here. So, and I want to call it the items ADBC YAM and ADBC YAM and ADBC beans. These 2 items will be entered and a code will be assigned to each under the inventory. So I will click on new items here. It will give me blank. The last item code was 201. So I can assign 202 here, then call it ADBC YAM. The description is ADBC YAM. And ADBC YAM should be, I think it's a product. It's a manufactured goods and it's a company product. That's the reason why I said pick a product. The necessary account under general ledgers has been defined at the left here. You can see it. So now to enter, I click on insert new. The code is existing, so let me assign 203. So 203. If it is existing, you will see a prompt, a red prompt. I should tell you that the code has already been assigned to a particular items. Let's check 203. 203 has been assigned. Let's check 204. 204 has been assigned. Okay, 205 has been assigned. Looking for code that has not been assigned. 203. Let me check 211. Go to new. 211. 211. Same ADBC rice should be products. So 211 has not been assigned. I put it under product. You can see that ADBC rice is there. I want to put ADBC beans also. So that one should be 212. ADBC beans. Let me assign it. You can see that the 2 products has been added. So that's how to add an inventory items. So I will try to make sales, but before you can make sales, items, you need some item. Before you can make sales, you must have those items in the store. And once you don't have those items in the store, there's no way you can make sales. And the adding of items, we can make it under that inventory adjustment to add items to the already stock being created. So you can see at ABC yam here, you will see that it's zero stock. Let's add about 100 items so that we can use it to practice. The cost of each of the items, I may put it to be 400 naira. Add the items. That's for the rice. Then for the beans, I can add 200 products under beans at the rate of 600 naira. So these two items has been added. It has been added. Then I can process the adjustments. So it has been added to our stock. Those two items have been added to our stock. If you check the stock ledger, you will discover that the two items have been added. So under the inventory, you can check the stock movement, stock status. So from the stock status, if I pick on the ADBC rice, you will see that the 100 items account is there. ADBC beans, the 100 items to 200 items are there. So as what we have on stock. So I will now use this opportunity to make sales based on these items on our stock. So to make sales, you go to sales menu. You can make a direct sales. You can make you can make a sales order, or just create an inventory and make sales straight. So for example, now if I want to make direct sales straight, I just go direct invoice straight. What I'm selling to one of my customers. What's the name of the customers? Maybe the name of the customers is Jedor. So after picking the name of the customers, what are the items to be sold? At ABC rice, I want to sell about 2 quantity from the store. Then you have the items. Let me go back. Alright, at ABC rice, let's add about 5 items. 5 or 10 items to be sold at 700 naira. There's an environment where you put you define the sales price, but I've not done that. So that's the reason why I'm trying to enter the sales price manually while picking the items. So I can pick the second product, beans, 5 beans at the rate of we are selling it for 1,000 naira. I will add the items also. So the items have been done. So I can place the invoice. It has been done. So if you want to check, view the invoice or print the receipt, can be done. Immediately you can check it. Maybe later you can also check it. So it generates invoice. You can see the sales invoice has been generated. So likewise, you can also print your receipts, or you go to the other menu to print it. So let's try to check our stock. I make a sales right now. Let's check our inventory, whether it affects the inventory. You can come under the adjustment or go back to inventory. Let's go to inquiry and reports. You check our, so let's check the beans. Can you see that the beans has been reduced? The rest also has been reduced to 90. We can check the details reports somewhere here under inventory reports to check our inventory items. So you can check the inventory. Once the inventory is being clicked, you can check the inventory movements reports. So from which date to which date, I think it's within the you can check which of the products you display. So it will come out. So I'm trying to check. You can see that this is the inventory movements. Quantity in was 100,000, and you have quantity out of 10, giving you this balance. So you can check. You can also check individual ledgers. So all the necessary account has been updated, even including the general ledger has been updated. Once a transaction is being done, so it will affect all the ledgers. So likewise, individual ledgers can also be checking. So there's an individual ledger, customer ledgers. You come down here, you can pick the name of the customer. I think I don't know the customer I picked the other time, whether it's Jedo or, let's check this one. Let's view whether it's this. It will bring out the ledger for that particular customer. So to print it out. So you can check. Let me check the other customer. You can see. You can check individual customers ledger, supplier ledger, the same format. So the software can generate output both in Excel formats, in PDF formats. I don't know the name I picked the other time. So you can also check the customer's invoice order, sales order here, sales receipts. Sales order, sales receipts can also be displayed there. See the way the sales orders are. Okay, I think it's this sales I made the other time. You can see the sales order. It's it's printable with some PDF formats. So that is a simple way to create stock items to make sales, especially direct sales invoice on step accounting. Thank you.